How to create an account on WriteSonic. In order to do that, head over and click on this writesonic.com and then click on this Get Started Free. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the sign up page of WriteSonic itself. So in here, you can see that you can fill up your full name as well as your business email. You also have the option to sign up with password, OTP, SSO, or you can also continue with Google or Apple. So for this one, I'll head over and continue with Google. And for this one, I'll just head over and choose in here my Google account that I will use. This because using your Google account is much easier than typing in here these fields that you can see in here as well. So just wait for this to finish loading for the signing up process. As you can see right here, it has successfully signed me up. You can see in here the actual dashboard. It will ask you what you will create today. You have a lot of things to do like advertising, social media, blog, emails, general writing, video, e-commerce, and a lot more. You also have in here a limit, which is 25 credits, and you can upgrade to get more credits if you want. For this one right here, I only have free plan, which gives me 25 credits. You can head over and update or upgrade, and then you can head over and then just use their tools that you can see right here. So that's how you create an account on WriteSonic. If we help